Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can make money with affiliate marketing and a faceless YouTube channel, but it's not going to be like most of the faceless YouTube channels that everyone's talking to you about, which have very high production costs, right? That's what most people that are teaching you faceless YouTube is that they're not really sharing how much it actually costs in order to go out and hire an entire team, this YouTube automation thing, right? It is a real thing. You can make money from that, but there's going to be a large learning curve. And there's also going to be a lot of money that you're going to have to put into the business in order to actually start becoming profitable. So the way that I teach how to build faceless YouTube channels is very different from what everyone else is teaching. I'm teaching you how to create tutorial-based channels that don't require you to be on camera in order to teach people something, right? So you can actually record your screen and just have your microphone set up. And then there's so many different things that people are learning or seeking to learn. And these are just basically educational based channels. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one of them right now. So if we actually come over here to YouTube right here, and I type in how to, and this is a little trick, put an underscore right here, and then I'm just going to say for beginners, right? So I want to see what people are typing in for their beginners at something, right? So we can come through here, how to swim for beginners. That might be a little bit difficult to create a faceless YouTube channel on something like that, right? Or even meditation, that might be a little bit tough as well. Dancing as well. But when we come through here and we look at some of these, like drawing, for example, would be a good one. Or trading, you could definitely do a trading type channel without being on camera as well. And then another thing that we can do is we can go over here and look at this one right here. So how to sketch for beginners. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So this is a good way to find different niches by just replacing this how to, and then put something in right here. But it's going to fill in all this middle stuff right here. So how to sketch for beginners. People are looking for this on YouTube. This is a search engine, right? So people are actually searching for this every single day on YouTube, and we can come through and scroll, and you'll be able to see that this is not a good score because it has some good search volume, but it's a very competitive keyword, which means that in general, the higher the competition and there's good volume, there's probably going to be some pretty good money involved with that keyword or that niche as well. But what we can do is come down here and see that this top ranking video right here got 6 million views, and they published it 2 years ago. The channel has 133,000 subscribers on it. So we can actually go and check this out real quick. And I believe that this person right over here could be making a lot more money when we go and look. This is their top ranked video on the channel. So what you can do is you can come over here to videos, and then you can go and sort it by popular. And then when we do that, you can see that they got 6 million views, right? So, but then they have multiple million views. They have another one with 3 million views, one more with 1 million. And this is just how to draw a butterfly. Easy from a letter Y. That one got 1 million views, right? And then we have another one, 1 million views right there, another million. So they have, and then 800,000, 700,000, 600,000. So this channel has gotten a lot of views from a few videos, right? And so I always like to go and check out latest as well. And they're still publishing content as late as 2 hours ago, right? And they're not getting a ton of views, but like 4 videos ago, they got almost 2,000 views, right? And this is kind of how YouTube goes in general, especially for a niche like this, that not every video that they put out is going to go viral, but they keep trucking along, and they wouldn't continue publishing how many videos? Almost 600 videos on their channel. They wouldn't continue doing that if they weren't making money from this channel. So what I like to do is I like to reverse engineer this. So I'll copy this, and then we'll come over to a site called Social Blade. So we'll go over to Social Blade real quick, and then I'll go and throw that channel in right here, push enter, and then now we have this channel pulled up. We can kind of see some analytics of what's going on with the channel. So they have 575 uploads. They've got 133,000 subscribers. They have over 20 million views on the channel. And this has only been around for about 5 years. So it's not like this channel is super old and has been around since 2010 or something like that. It's fairly new. It just got started right before COVID, and maybe it kind of took off during that pandemic season, right? Where people were staying home. They probably wanted to learn how to draw more and stuff. So it was a perfect time to have a channel like this. But guess what? We'll come back here real quick. But I want to just go show you what's going on in these videos. See, I'm hovering over this and you can see he doesn't even talk in the video. He usually just puts some music in the background, and then he just draws, and he does something that he loves doing. And it's just somebody that's drawing, right? They're just drawing and showing you how to draw and become a sketch artist. And so that is something that is a faceless YouTube channel. And it's even easier than what, I'm doing, because they don't even have to talk. Now, they could talk and make it more engaging and so forth, but a lot of times people just want to watch and learn based on looking at the screen. So this is a really great example of a faceless YouTube channel right here, that they don't have to get on screen. They don't have to do their makeup. They don't have to get dressed. They don't have to make sure they have a haircut or anything. And they can just pump out videos daily doing something, and it's a hobby of something that they love, right? They are an artist, and they are going to go ahead and do those drawings anyways because they love doing it. They may as well record what they're doing each day and record their journey and their projects, and then also profit from this. Now, you can see that YouTube is saying that he's making about $1.4 thousand dollars per month, and we can come down here based on 350,000 views in the last 30 days. Now, that tells me that this is a somewhat of a lower cost per thousand niche right here, because that's a lot of views to only be making that much. So that tells me that it's a little bit more on the lower side. That's probably pretty accurate if I had to make a guess. But guess what this guy could be doing that he's not doing, right? And he's still getting a lot of subscribers, 2,000 subscribers per month and so forth. But what he could be doing is, if we go back over here and we check out, I'm going to go click on his latest video and see what he's got going. So visit our website, draweasy.com, for more drawing tutorials. Click the link in the description box. So what I like to do is I'll come through here and we'll look, and we'll just see that they're promoting their website. And I did go and take a look at it. And so there's nothing else going on right here, right? So this is somebody that, even from a consulting standpoint, I could approach this person and tell them that, hey, we could do a lot more. You could make a lot more money with this channel by coming out with a course, right? If he sold his own drawing course, from beginners, maybe to intermediate, advanced, et cetera, he could be making far more money from affiliate marketing, selling products, and so forth. He's just got people coming to this kind of spammed website with a ton of ads on it. And so obviously he's got tutorials right over here, but it's really not a very nicely designed website, I must say. But he definitely is on, Mediavine or something like that. So he's making money from his website. He's probably making some decent money, or he probably wouldn't continue doing this after 5 years. And you can see all these different tutorials and so forth. But this is, not as pleasant for a user, in my opinion, to go to this website. I would bounce off this website personally, because it's just got so many ads on it. But what I would do is I would sell a course, I would build an email list, et cetera, on this. And that's how you would make money, is by putting in your offer in this box right here. He does have a Patreon page too. Hopefully he's making some money from that as well. But there's a lot of opportunity in this box right here that he's not using, because he's not making a ton of money off of his YouTube channel. From just monetization alone. There's so much more that people forget that they can do. They put so much of the value of a YouTube channel based on the YouTube ad revenue, and that's just about 1/10 of what you can actually earn from a YouTube channel, okay? And so I teach all about this, how to do all of this, in my school community called Six Figure Freedom Club. You can come check over here. We've got all kinds of great members in the community. I actually have my first December webinar happening tomorrow. This is a live coaching call. We have 2 of them per month, and in less than 25 hours, I'll be doing my next one. So if you want to go sign up and check out what Six Figure Freedom Club is all about, it's about how I can teach you how you can go out and build these tutorial-based channels and start profiting from them, get them monetized. Yes, we want to make that YouTube ad revenue, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more you can do that. And that's how in this last year, I've made something like $160,000. And most of that came from affiliate marketing on YouTube and not the YouTube ad revenue. So that's what I teach in this Six Figure Freedom Club. We've got our classroom over here, and this YT Affiliate Blueprint is a course that I take you from point A to point Z, lesson 1 through lesson 10. Once you take this course right here, it's about 2 hours long. You'll know exactly what to do to start taking action, how to do niche research, how to come up with a content plan that when you sit down each day and you only have 30 minutes to an hour, you know exactly what you're working on, and you don't have to go and reinvent the wheel or go out and do keyword research every single day, because you're going to have a nice content plan ready, waiting for you for months of content. And so all you need to do is just take action and be productive and be consistent. So I teach you all about that. I teach you how to stay motivated, how to be consistent, the right software tools to use, and so forth, on how to build so many different channels that I've created on my time in YouTube. And I've made money on several YouTube channels, and that's what I teach inside of here. So we have our calendar. We have December 6th is our next live coaching call, and then we have a December 13th. So back-to-back weeks, and then we're taking the time off during the holidays from the calendar, from having the live calls, but then we resume back in January. We'll have more and more. So I have at least 2 of these per month. You can see right over here that we have a leaderboard as well. And when you reach level 2, you get to go to case study, where I'm building a brand new YouTube channel right in front of you, taking it from 0 subscribers, 0 views, and showing you how it's done. I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I'm showing you exactly what to do, so you can have that confidence that, okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but I can do this. And you're going to have the confidence that you need to go out and do that. So we have leaderboards, and we have a lot of people in the community that are really enjoying Six Figure Freedom Club. And of course, the bread and butter is the community, where we come in here and we discuss different topics. Like right over here, John asked David's software reviews. He said he's looking at some of these on one of my other channels, and he was looking at a couple of different softwares. Are they good? Should I get these and stuff? And then I give him an honest answer. This is a way that you have firsthand touch with me. You can actually direct message me, or you can message me in the community, and you're going to get a well thought out, honest answer from somebody that is a 6-figure earner on YouTube. So I'm going to tell you, hey, I don't really know too much about the software. The vendor actually paid me to do a review. And that's another really cool thing too, is that I'm going to teach in the community, is how once your channel grows, you're going to have people reaching out to you and emailing you, wanting to give you money just to put a little ad insert inside of your YouTube video, or to do a full review of their software or their product, or so forth. So there's so many different ways to monetize your YouTube channel that, like I said, monetization like this, just getting paid from YouTube, is just barely touching or scratching the surface. Okay, so this guy right over here, this is definitely a good niche. It's a niche that is a faceless YouTube channel that we don't typically think of as YouTube faceless channels, the way that everybody else is teaching you how to do YouTube automation, right? But this guy could be profiting so much more, and that's what I want to teach you. So go ahead and click that first link below. Go join the community so you don't miss out on our upcoming event and our coaching call that starts tomorrow. We have new members that are coming in every single day. We're up to 37 members right now. Come and join us. I'd love to have you inside of the 6-Figure Freedom Club, so you can finally go out and build YouTube, make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, selling your own products as well, and that you can finally start working to achieving your goals and your dreams of working for yourself, right? And being able to quit that 9-to-5, fire your boss, and actually do this full time, like I've been doing for over 3 years now. So hope to see you inside the course, the community. Link will be below, and I'll see you in the next video.